Okay. So, welcome to Try It Thursday. I'm Coach Linden, here to help you change your relationship with food and fitness. I want to cover the deadlift. So, let's go over it this way. If you have just really started getting into fitness, right? Or maybe you've been doing fitness for a while and you feel like you're stuck. So, this video is for you. If your back hurts when you deadlift, you're doing one of two things usually wrong. Everything comes from the middle, okay? So all compression comes from the core. If you lift your ribs too high, you arch your back too far, you disengage your core, and based on the line your body's in, I'll get a little closer for this one. Based on the line your body's in, if you're stuck out like this, the weight is going to choose the lowest point of contact and put all the pressure in that space. So in order to make sure you don't get hurt, you shift the hips forward, which is why most people squeeze the glutes at the top. You keep your rib cage down. Now, keeping the rib cage down is very hard for a lot of beginners, okay? So if you have just started learning how to keep your core engaged, take a nice inhale in and then tuck your chin to your chest. You'll notice that this changes your breath for how you're engaged, and this is how you know. So if I keep my chin tucked the entire time and I grab the bell by unsqueezing my glutes, I will go into a conventional deadlift and then lift to the top. Now here's the interesting part, which is what most people miss, and this is how they hurt themselves because they're bending their spine to get around the bell. If you keep your chin tucked, take the nice breath in and go down with your breath held, you'll notice that your gaze goes down towards the floor. Your gaze doesn't stay up. Once you lift up, pull your hips forward, squeeze your glutes, shoulders and hips raising at the exact same time while your chin is tucked and you're breathing out through your mouth. We're going to go over an example now. Okay, so again, I'm going to do everything I just went over with you guys and show you what I mean, okay? So if your back hurts during deadlifts, give this a try. So we're going to take the arms, shake them loose, take them in front of us where they fall naturally, which is usually right at the hips or outside the hips, bring the hands into the inner thigh. Again, we're going to take a deep breath in. Tuck the pelvis forward, which is, again, just squeeze the glutes. You don't have to do anything but squeeze your butt. Okay, squeeze your butt, tuck your chin, breathe in through your nose. Reach down until you touch the bell. Now, you'll notice probably, again, your knee should be bent. Your hands can wrap around the bar or kettlebell, and you're able to sit your hips back. My forearms are on the inside of my thighs. Again, my chin is tucked, breathing in. And when I go to stand up, I just breathe out. Again, if my chin is tucked, my gaze goes forward when I'm standing and diagonal when I'm down. Use those two cues, save yourself a lot of time, save your back, and get more reps in. Now I promise, the first couple times you do this, you're probably gonna feel kind of weak, right? You're not gonna be able to do as much weight, but the good thing is you're working your musculature, your glutes, your hamstrings. You're working the stuff in between, not using your spine to do the reps. Give it a try.